In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable GST in Zoho Books and make your account fully tax compliant. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho tips. Start by clicking the gear icon on the top right of your Zoho Books dashboard. From the Settings menu, go to Taxes and Compliance, then select Taxes. Once inside, click GST Settings. Now toggle, is your business registered for GST to Yes. Enter your 15-digit GST in legal business name and trade name exactly as registered. Then, set your GST registration date. If your business falls under the composition scheme, check that box and enter the composition rate. You can also enable reverse charge if your customers pay the tax instead of you. For businesses involved in SEZ or overseas trade, turn on the SEZ/overseas trading option. If you handle imports or exports, select your custom duty tracking account. And if you sell digital services overseas, enable track sale of digital services. Once everything's filled in, hit save and you're done. Your Zoho Books is now GST annulled, ready to calculate and manage taxes automatically. That's how easy it is to stay compliant and organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Zoho tutorials.